Hyundai key fobs typically use a CR2032 coin cell lithium battery, providing 3 volts of power and costing around $1 to $3 per unit. Replacing it yourself is straightforward and saves money compared to dealership service. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. First, ensure the key fob is off by checking for any active modes. Insert the screwdriver into the notch, usually near the keyring, and gently pry open the case. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Note the battery's polarity, positive side up, before removing the old battery. Pop it out carefully. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's seated correctly. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check battery alignment and look for corrosion. On average, replace every 2 to 3 years or sooner in very cold conditions. Always use a fresh quality CR2032 battery, like Panasonic or Energizer, to avoid premature failure or corrosion. Some models, like the 2024 Hyundai Kona Electric, are moving towards lithium-ion or hybrid fobs with capacitive touch and Bluetooth integration, potentially lasting 4 to 5 years. Future trends point to wireless charging and AI-driven battery diagnostics in the Hyundai app, alerting you before the battery dies. Premium Genesis models may already use lithium polymer batteries. For older models like the Elantra 2018-2022, cold weather can significantly reduce battery life. If you're experiencing intermittent signals, replacing the battery often resolves the issue. Remember to recycle your old CR2032 batteries properly to reduce e-waste.